Magnetic field due to a thick sheet using Ampere's law. So this is the thick sheet which is given and the current is going inside the plane. And here current density is given I ampere per meter square. So if you take a area like this, then the current will be I times that area going inside the plane. So we are supposed to find the magnetic field at a point P inside and outside the sheet. So we'll take the square paths for both inside and outside. Let's take the inside first. So again, as we have seen before, for path AB, DL and B are parallel. For path BC, DL and B will be perpendicular to each other. For path CD, DL and B are again parallel. And for path DA, again DL and B will be perpendicular. So let me draw that also. So here B is towards right, DL is down. Here B is towards left, DL is down. Here B is towards left, DL is up. Here B is towards right, DL is up. So in both these paths, DL and B are perpendicular to each other. So their values become 0. What's left is path AB and CD. So for path AB, the value of B is same as on path CD because of the symmetry. So this becomes, for path AB, this becomes B into X, where X is the length of CD, which is equal to length of AB. This also becomes Px is equal to mu naught I times I enclosed. So if you take this area, whole area of the rectangle, that will be the I enclosed, that times I ampere per meter square. So I into X into 2R. So mu naught I into X into 2R. This is I enclosed. So we simplify this and get B in is equal to mu naught IR. So at a distance R from the axis of this infinite sheet, magnetic field is mu naught IR. Now we want to find magnetic field at a point P outside the sheet. So again we will take a rectangular path, and for these two, A dash and D dash and B dash and C dash, again it will become 0. And just like this, here it will be B into X dash. For this path also it is B into X dash. So same equation will come here, Bx dash plus 0 plus Bx dash plus 0. Now I enclosed, so this line integral is equal to mu naught into I enclosed. I enclosed is this part. So area of this part of the sheet, which is X dash into thickness of the sheet, which is D. So this becomes X dash into D. So X dash will get cancelled. What will be left is B out is mu naught I D by 2, which is a constant. So inside it's proportional to R, proportional to the distance from the axis, and outside the sheet it is constant. So if you plot B versus R, it will come like this. That's it.